Welcome! Hello English learners, welcome back to our channel where we make a step forward mastering English with every lesson. Whether you're a beginner looking to build a strong foundation or an advanced learner aiming for fluency, our engaging lessons and helpful tips will guide you every step of the way. Do you know what we call this group? What about this one? What we call this group of fish? And do you know the masculine and feminine of this animal? If you want to know the correct answer, you have to watch this video till the end. Without any further ado, let's dive in. In this lesson, we'll see collective nouns, masculine and feminine nouns, people who live in a particular country, collective nouns. Here are some collective nouns for groups of people: a family, a team, a community, a choir, a band, an audience, a group, a committee, a gang, the army, a company. Do I use it with singular or plural verb? Collective nouns may be used with a singular verb or with plural verb. If the group is acting as a single unit, use a singular verb. If the members are acting as individuals, use a plural verb. For example, the team was sitting, or the team were yelling and cheering. Always use a plural verb with people and the police. Example, the police have caught the whole gang. Some collective nouns for groups of people: a crowd of shoppers, a company of actors, a class of school children, a gang of thieves, a panel of judges, a platoon of soldiers. Collective nouns for groups of animals: a herd of cattle, a flock of birds, a drove of sheep, a gaggle of geese, a pack of wolves, a pride of lions, a pod of dolphins, a school of fish, a litter of puppies, a troop of monkeys, a brood of chickens, a swarm of bees. Collective nouns for groups of things: a bunch of bananas, a cluster of grapes, a bouquet of flowers, a grave of trees, a range of mountains, a string of beads, a set of tools, a deck of cards, a suit of furniture, a suite of rooms, a flight of steps, a fleet of vehicles, a fleet of ships. When I use a piece of, the word a piece of means a singular servant or part of something. For example, a sliced piece of bread, a piece square of chocolate, a sheet piece of paper, a piece of information. A sliced piece of cheese, a sliced piece of cake, a piece of chalk, a piece of advice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you help the channel to reach more people. Masculine and feminine nouns. Masculine nouns are words for men, boys, and male animals. Feminine nouns are words for women, girls, and female animals. Boy, girl, man, woman, father, mother, son, daughter, brother, sister, husband, wife, grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, nephew, niece, policeman, policewoman, actor, actress, waiter, waitress, king, queen, emperor, empress, prince, princess, wizard, witch. Many nouns are used for both males and females. There are common gender nouns: teacher, pupil, parent, cousin, president, manager, child, baby, dancer, scientist, doctor, astronaut. With animals, there is one general word for the animal and special words for the male and female. Sometimes the word for the male animal is the same as the general word. Sometimes the word for the female animal is the same as the general word. Rabbit, buck, doe. Sheep, ram, ewe. Cattle, bull, cow. Duck, drake, duck. Fox, fox, vixen. Horse, stallion, mare. Tiger, tiger, tigress. Chicken, rooster, hen. Goose, gander, goose. Lion, lion, lioness. People who lives in a particular country. China, the Chinese. India, Indians. France, the French. Italy, Italian. Japan, the Japanese. Malaysia, Malaysians. Britain, the British. Germany, Germans. Afghanistan, Afghans. Korea, Koreans. Indonesia, Indonesians. Australia, Australians. Russia, Russians. Pakistan, Pakistanis. Spaniards. USA. Americans. Thailand, Thais. New Zealand, New Zealanders. The Philippines, Filipinos. South Africa, South Africans. Switzerland, the Swiss. Vietnam, the Vietnamese. And now it's time for a test. Which common nouns describe these groups? A community. An audience. A drum of sheep. A troop of monkeys. A school of fish. A platoon of soldiers. A cluster of grapes. A set of tools. A fleet of vehicles. Fill in the gaps. Dray. Fox. Stallion. Mare. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and drop a thumbs up. See you in the next video.